Srimali Plant House in Andiambalama is a renowned nursery that caters to gardening enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. This verdant haven is known for its extensive collection of flowers, ornamental plants, and a wide variety of trees, making it a one-stop destination for anyone looking to enhance their garden or indoor spaces with natural beauty. The nursery offers an array of vibrant blooms, from seasonal flowers to exotic species, providing plenty of options for creating colorful and diverse landscapes. Additionally, Srimali Plant House stocks a variety of trees, ranging from small ornamental types suitable for patios and balconies to larger species ideal for landscaping projects. Visitors to Srimali Plant House can expect a tranquil and inspiring environment where the beauty of nature is on full display. The knowledgeable staff are always on hand to offer expert advice on plant care, helping both novice gardeners and experienced horticulturists make informed choices. Whether you're seeking to start a new garden, add to an existing one, or simply enjoy the serenity of a plant-filled space, Srimali Plant House is a must-visit destination for anyone passionate about plants and gardening.